Guys, Mike here. That's Friday morning. I'm looking at my roof. We had a land hurricane come through here. We had upwards of 85-mile-per-hour wind gusts. My roof looks okay. So that's why I hadn't put up a video in a day or two. I'll knock that over. I got shingles and crap everywhere. There's some more shingles. I don't know what all damage it done, but it was 2 days. Ouch. God dang it. Well, time for a tetanus shot. I just stepped on that. That's not good. I don't know where that came from. But I'm looking for wind damage. Yeah, I had some damage. It got my carport roof. Huh. I might have to crawl up there and look at that. But, well, that's kind of the bummer. Knocked my junk over. Ouch. All that was rotted anyway. That's why this is coming down. But, well, I don't think I got too much damage. Too much damage to worry about anyway. But, yeah, that's why I hadn't put up a video. Looks like I got a little mess to clean up. Doesn't look like it hurt anything else. So, I'm happy with that. I can live with that. So, let's, if I can figure out a way to lay down on this ground and not get dirty. Let's see if I fix this gas tank or not. No, it's still leaking. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna have to go buy some stuff for that today. It's still leaking. Crap. All right. I wonder what it's going to take to temporarily fix that. Getting up off the ground is a pain in the butt. So, anyway, guys, I'll video more here in a little bit. Guys, Mike here again. Boy, I made a mess today. I didn't film any of it because I was having trouble from the get-go. My seat's out. Look at all that crap from that. 47 years. 47 years of crap in this floorboard. Now I can vacuum it out, finish cleaning it out, vacuum it out, and start putting more my dynamite down. It's going to be super simple now. I can run from here all the way back to, I'm just going to go to where this starts curving up underneath the back seat. Just a little bit. And then when I take out the back seat, I'll do it behind there. But boy, you want to talk about a dang hassle getting that seat out of there. I ever won those bolts. Because these bolts right here go through the body outside of the car. These were mighty rusty. It took a lot of effort. But there you go, guys. Some progress was made on the carpet. So, I'll try to film some more tomorrow of the vacuuming out and everything else. But I'm trying to get this carpet done by Friday. That means all my dynamite in, the carpet in, and the seat back in. Which the seat ain't going to be redone, but this is a start. Then I'll have to go find me some floor mats so I don't get my brand new carpet all muddy and dirty and crap. So that's a quick little update on the car. And also today, I got some rebar cut and put in here. It's level, all my post holes are dug. See guys, I'm just busy, and I forget sometimes to even pick up the dang camera. And I apologize. But we are going to do something a little special today. We're going to see if this old motorcycle of mine will start. It's not going to be too dramatic of a cold start, but we're going to see if it will start. Hey, I got juice this time. That's positive. Uh-oh. I don't want to get in trouble by YouTube. Oh, there we go, guys. And just give y'all a little hint, I already started it, so I knew it was going to start. But there you go. It fired up. I'm fixing to go change clothes and go take a ride. Y'all enjoy your day, and I'll talk to y'all soon. This is my house.